excited to visit
Kotlin Dev Day now.
Hi everyone, we're back again with the second edition of Kotlin Dev Day. Bigger and better, as you can see. I don't know how we made it happen, but we're actually in the Amsterdam arena. Lots of people joined us today. We have 3 stages, lots of speakers, and lots of participants actually physically being here. So let's kick it off.
Well, Kotlin has a tremendous potential, and by sharing our knowledge, others can profit from that. And that's actually one of the main reasons why we set this all up.
So far I like it a lot because it's helping me grow as a developer.
There's always something new to learn, right?
What we usually have with Java, it's kind of like a lot of lengthy code, and with Kotlin you can do a lot of cool stuff.
People who've been in the Kotlin space for a long time are coming here, which means they are attracted to this event. Yeah, I think it's good.
interested in the Kotlin multi-platform stuff, and there was quite a few talks on that. It was very interesting, yeah.
We are here because it's a great learning experience for all our engineers. We are also here, of course, to help build the Kotlin community in Amsterdam.
This community is just so kind, so welcoming, so friendly, and a lot of fun. And to me, that just embodies Kotlin and what Kotlin's all about. And so, yeah, super fun to be here in person. Look forward to coming back next year and being part of this community.
Have a nice Kotlin.